Today, we're bringing you different neighborhoods in East Dublin. Today we're in the Pinnacles. The Pinnacles are located right on the golf course. Some homes have golf course views, and there's a beautiful 18-hole golf course in this area that, to the golf lovers, this is a perfect place to live. It's easy commute to Silicon Valley, and it's newly built. Most of these homes were built from 2000 to 2005. HOA maintained. A lot of the common areas are always kept up beautifully by the HOA. Very close to elementary schools and very close to middle schools and the brand new high school, Emerald High School in East Dublin. This is a beautiful area to raise a family and put some roots down.
All right, we're right here in Dublin Ranch. They have a swimming pool that comes with the HOA. Beautiful homes. They have smaller homes from 1,500 square feet all the way to 4,000 square feet. So it fits for a lot of families. It was built in the early 2000s, if not 2000, close to Fallon Sports Park, close to 580, close to Tassajara, a really, really good community. So Dublin Ranch is so sought out for. The schools are amazing. You have award-winning schools like John Green, Fallon, and guess what? I live right here in Dublin Ranch. I love it here. I love the parks. I love that we have a community swimming pool, great for walking. It's very safe and one of the best communities in Dublin.
Welcome to Dublin Ranch. This is one of the best communities in East Dublin. It consists of a lot of smaller single-family homes and also has a good mix of townhomes where it's very affordable, a good entry-level homes and townhomes in this area. A lot of parks, and it's right across the street from Fallon Sports Park, and it's a great place to put roots down and start your family in East Dublin. Great community. Very friendly community, a lot of walking trails, a lot of areas where you can have picnics and have community gatherings and events. And also one of the nice award-winning schools here is Cottonwood Elementary all the way to 8th grade. So hopefully you make Dublin Ranch your next place to look at if you're looking for a good affordable area in East Dublin.
So this is Positano, really close to Fallon Sports Park. It's got newer homes, from smaller homes like 1,800 square feet to 4,000 square feet. They have dens in some of the homes, office spaces, lofts, multi-generational housing, which means you can have your in-law or you can just rent it out and you live in the main house. It's got a lot of options. The homes are newer, and this is one of the newer, quieter communities in Dublin. It's perfect for families with children. The rooms are larger and the homes are newer.
Hey, thank you for joining us for all the series of videos on East Dublin, the different neighborhoods. We are a local team that is expert in Dublin. We'd love to give you more information. We know the ins and outs of Dublin and understand it. And so if you want more information on different neighborhoods, feel free to reach out to us and we'll send you the information. And also we'd love to take you on tours of different areas if you're looking to buy in any of these neighborhoods. If you're looking to sell in any of these neighborhoods that we visited in East Dublin or anywhere in Dublin, please contact us, because we can highlight different things in the neighborhood that can really bring you more money and sell your home for much more and quicker. DM us and get in contact with us. Also like us on all the social media platforms to stay connected on upcoming videos. Thank you.